Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nerchuko. So today's video is about how we can create an Azure Data Factory resource using Azure Portal. So let's get started. So as usual, sign into your Azure account, and once you signed into your account, search for data factories. So currently the data factory version is V2. So click on data factories V2 and click on create. So now we need to fill all the details and let me proceed. So I'm choosing my resource group as Azure Demo, and the name is demo-adf account. So this is my factory name, and I'm choosing the region as South India, and the version currently is V2. So click on next. So make sure you check this configure git letter as true, and then we will set up this git configuration in the later step. So click on networking. So currently for this demo we will using public endpoint, and click on advanced, and this is not required as per the demo, and the tags, and then review and create, and click on create button. So now the deployment is in progress. So let me skip this whole process and show you the resource creation. So the deployment is succeeded. Click on go to resource. So now the second step is to identify the data factories, and now select the one which we created. This is the one, and in this step we will launch the data studio. So click on the launch studio button here. So it will open a new tab where you can see all the data factory related components. And now the next step is about setting up your code repository. So you can see on my screen there is a button which is stating that setup code repository. So click on this, and we need to choose the type of repository. So I'm choosing GitHub. You can also choose DevOps Git as well. So let me show how we can create a repository with GitHub. So if you don't have GitHub, you can sign up for one GitHub account, and you can mention here your GitHub owner name. So in my case, I entered my repository owner and click on continue. So already signed into the uh, GitHub. So it is asking me to authorize. So click on authorize. So now I need to create a repository name. So sign into GitHub. So choose a repository name. So I can choose ADF. I am just choosing the same ADF name. Demo hyphen ADF. So this is my repository name. And this is ADF repo. So these are some configuration parameters which we need to choose as we are hosting our repository in GitHub. So visibility, you can choose private, and currently there are no any templates available, so leave it. You can add my readme file, and you can leave this as default. So click on create repository. So now once my repository is created, go to GitHub account and we can use a repository link. You copy the link from here and paste it in the repository link. So now once we pasted the repository link, click on collaboration branch and select main. And this is the main branch, like where your team will commit all the changes in your Azure Data Factory. And then this is the publish branch where all the changes made to the repository are published. And you can choose your root folder. So currently the root folder is main. And just click on apply. So right now it is applying all the changes for configuring a repository. So now you can see the repo is connected and we can refresh the Data Studio. So if you click on new pipeline, so you should be able to see your branch which we configured as main. This is the main branch where your changes are committed. So this is all about how we can create an Azure Data Factory resource using Azure Portal, and also setting up your Git repository using GitHub. So that's it all for the day. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.